Hey, what is up? RoTorial here, and thank you so much for watching Minecraft versus Roblox. I'll be showing some of the basics, and let's get right into it with skins. So the different skins, as you see, Minecraft has many different skins you could wear that are already made. You can sadly not make your own, but there are still hundreds upon hundreds of skins. There might be a way you can make your own, but not that I know. Now, on Roblox, you can customize your avatar. This is mine. I have the green bandit top hat. Yes, it does cost currency in order to get them, but Now, games. These are all the Roblox games. There are millions of user-created games, as you can see here, and they are all user-generated, and yeah, there are many different types, from action, adventure, etc. And now to Minecraft. You have to make your own game. You cannot play other games unless you have servers, and you get what I mean. And you get to pick how you want your server, like if you want keep inventory, survival, creative, etc. I'm not the biggest Minecraft pro, I don't know. And here on Minecraft, you can build and have survival tools and put stuff in your chest to save it from others stealing it, or just to store it so you don't have to have it in your inventory in case you die. You could put many stuff in there. There is a limit, just like real life, to make it more realistic. And on Roblox, there are many other action games, such as Jailbreak, which is one of the most popular. You can have police gears, you can suit up, get guns, and head out to get the criminals, as you see here. But there are many other games other than that, as right here in Minecraft, you can attack sheep, and yeah, and get wool and meat, and survive. And then on Roblox again, there are cafes. You could just relax, get a drink, and then on Minecraft, here is the world. And also, that Roblox doesn't have, that is a big thing for Roblox, is that there is dev exchange, where developers can make currency from trading in Robux they earn. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching on RoTorial, and I will see you guys next time. And make sure to comment down below what other tutorials you would like, or if you want more verses. And I will see you next time on RoTorial. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time.